Hey everyone and welcome back. Today we're in Beech Grove, Indiana at the Amtrak repair shops. The facility is southeast of the city, and this view gives you an idea of where it is compared to downtown Indianapolis. You may have seen my previous video from when I was here last summer. That was ahead of an Amtrak trip on the Cardinal. It was pretty busy last time and I saw a lot of great locomotives and unique cars. I'll include a link to that first video from here so you can check out the difference. Today, though, we'll be flying around and checking out as much as we can. There are a few damaged cars and engines we'll stop and check out a little bit closer. But this time, we will get a much closer look. I decided to sell my DJI Mavic 2 Pro and pick up a Mavic 3. I bought it because the 3 has a telephoto camera with it. If you're not into photography, that just means that the camera is really zoomed in, so you can get up close and personal while staying reasonably far away. This was my first time flying it though, so please bear with me in some of the shakiness. I really do think it helps showcase these locomotives and cars though. Alright, back to the facility. To me, it seemed less busy this time, and many of the engines I saw before had been cleared out or moved. Does anyone have an idea of how many of these will return to service, or will they be sold or scrapped? Most of them look like they're still in pretty good shape, at least on the outside. Well, I hope you enjoy looking around the next 10 minutes or so. Before I go, I just want to let you know I do have another video from this trip where we'll head back to Avon Yard west of Indianapolis and watch the hump in action from several points of view. And if you do enjoy the video, I would appreciate it if you hit the like button, and if you like my content, please do hit the subscribe button. Well, until our next trip, I hope you have a great day.